राणा अकॅडमी या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपणा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आपण स्टार्ट केले आहे नीटची सिरीज, क्वेश्चन सिरीज, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन सिरीज. तर आपण आता पाहणार आहोत 2023 आणि 2024ची क्वेश्चन पेपर नीटचा. 2023 आणि 2024चा 720 मार्काचा नीटचा क्वेश्चन पेपर आपण पाहणार आहोत. चला तर मग व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया. त्याच्या अगोदर आपण पाहणार आहोत फिजिक्सचा क्वेश्चन पेपर, त्यानंतर केमिस्ट्रीचा आणि नंतर बायोलॉजीचा क्वेश्चन पेपर पाहणार आहोत. चला तर मग आपण आता पाहूया फिजिक्सचा क्वेश्चन पेपर 2023 आणि 2024चा. फिजिक्स सेक्शन 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. A logic circuit provides the output y as per the following truth table. A B Y 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. The expression for the output is. Answer is 3, B bar. Question number 2. A wheel of a bullock cart is rolling on a level road as shown in the figure below. Now if its linear speed is v in the direction shown, which one of the following options is correct? P and Q are any highest and lowest points on the wheel respectively. Answer is 2. Point P moves faster than point Q. Question number 3. In the following circuit, the equivalent capacitance between terminal A and terminal B is. Answer is 1, 2 mu V off. Question number 4. At any instant of time, small t, the displacement of any particle is given by 2t minus 1 SI unit under the influence of force of 5 Newton. The value of instantaneous power is in SI unit. Answer is 1, 10. Question number 5. Given below, there are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion: the potential V at any axial point at 2 meter distance from the center of the dipole moments vector P of magnitude 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 cm is plus minus 9 into 10 to the power 3 volt. Take 1 by 4 pi e naught is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 SI units. Reason: V is equal to plus minus 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square, where r is the distance of any axial point situated at 2 meter from the center of the dipole. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3, A is true but R is false. Question number 6. Two bodies A and B of same mass undergo completely inelastic one-dimensional collision. The body A moves with velocity v1 while body B is at rest before collision. The velocity of the system after collision is v2. The ratio of v1 is to v2 is. Answer is 2, 2:1. Question number 7. In the uniform magnetic field of 0.0949 t, now magnetic needle performs 20 complete oscillations in 5 seconds. The moment of inertia of the needle is 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg per meter square. If the magnitude of magnetic moment of the needle is x into 10 to the power minus 5 am square, then the value of x is. Answer is 4, 1280 pi square. Question number 8. An unpolarized light beam strikes a glass surface at brewster's angle, then. Answer is 4. The reflected light will be completely polarized, but the refracted light will be partially polarized. Question number 9. Consider the following statements A and B and identify the correct answer. Answer is 1. For a solar cell, the first to fifth characteristics lies in the fourth quadrant of the given graph. Answer is 1. Question number 10. The graph which shows the variation of 1 by lambda square and its kinetic energy capital E is where lambda is de Broglie's wavelength of a free particle. Answer is 4. Question number 10. Answer is 4. Question number 11. The terminal voltage of the battery whose EMF is 10 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm when connected to an external resistance of 4 ohm is shown in the figure is. Answer is 3, 8 volt. Question number 12. The quantities which have the same dimensions as those of solid angle are. Answer is 1. Strain and angle. Question number 13. In the above diagram, the strong bar magnet is moving towards solenoids Z from solenoid 1. The direction of the induced current in the solenoid 1 and that in solenoid 2 respectively are through the direction of directions. Answer is 1. AB and DC. Question number 14. The moment of inertia of a thin rod about an axis passing through its midpoint and perpendicular to the rod is 1 to 2400 gram per centimeter square. The length of the 400 gram rod is nearly. Answer is 1. 8.5 centimeter. Question number 15. If x is equal to 5 sine pi t plus pi by 3 meter represents the motion of a particle executing simple harmonic motion, the amplitude and time period of motion respectively are. Answer is 2. 5m 2s. Question number 16. The mass of a planet is 1/10 that of the earth and its diameter is half that of the earth. The acceleration due to gravity on that planet is. Answer is 4. 3.92 meter per second square. Question number 17. A horizontal force 10 Newton is applied to a block A as shown in figure. The mass blocks A and B are 2 kg and 3 kg respectively. The blocks slide over the frictionless surface. The force extended by block A and on block B is. Answer is 3. 8 Newton. 6 Newton. Question number 18. The thermodynamic system is taken through the cycle ABCDA, cycle ABCDA. The work done by the gas along the path ABC is. Answer is 1. 0. Question number 19. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Atoms are electrically neutral as they contain equal number of positive and negative charges. Statement 2. Atoms of each element are stable and emit their characteristic spectrum. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 20. In the nuclear emission stated above, the mass number and atomic number of the product Qs respectively are. Answer is 4. 286.81. Question number 21. A particle moving with uniform speed in a circular path maintains. Answer is 4. Varying velocity and varying acceleration. Question number 22. A light ray enters through the through a right angled prism at point P with the angle of incidence 30 degree as shown in figure. It travels through the prism parallel to its base BC and emerges along the face AC. The refractive index of prism is answer is 2 under root 5 by 2. Question number 23. In our Vernier calipers, n plus 1 divisions of vernier scale coincide with the n divisions of man scale. If 1 MSD represents 0.1 mm, the vernier constant in centimeter is answer is 2 1 by 100 n plus 1. Question number 24. If the monochromatic source is in Young's double slit experiment is replaced by white light, then answer is 3. There will be a central bright white fringe surrounded by a few colored fringes. Question number 25. If c is the velocity of light in free space, the correct statements about photon among the following are: choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2 A, B, C, D only. The energy of photon is E is equal to h nu. The velocity of photons is c. The moment of photon is p is equal to h nu upon c. In a photon electron collision, both total energy and total momentum are conserved. Answer is 2 A, B, C and D only. Question number 26. The output Y of the given logic gate is similar to the output of an answer is 4 A and D gate. Question number 27. Match list 1 and list 2. Answer is 2. Question number 28. A thin flat circular of disc of radius 4.5 cm is placed gently over the surface of water. If surface tension of water is 0.07 Newton per meter, then the excess force required to take heat away from the surface is answer is 1 19.8 millimeter per Newton. Question number 29. In an ideal transformer, the turns ratio of Np upon Ns is equal to 1 by 2. The ratio of Vs upon S to Vp is equal of to the symbols carry their usual meaning. Answer is 2:1. Question number 30. The maximum elongation of a steel wire of 1 meter length if the elastic limit of steel and its Young's modulus respectively are 8 into 10 to the power 8 Newton per meter square and 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square is answer is 4 millimeter. Question number 31. A thin spherical shell is charged by some source. The potential difference between the 2 points C and P and B shown in the figures is answer is 4 0. Question number 32. A wire of length L small l and its resistance 100 ohm is divided into 10 equal parts. The first 5 parts are connected in series while the next 5 parts are connected in parallel. The two combinations are again connected in series and the resistance of thin final combination is answer is 252 ohm. Question number 33. A tightly wound 100 turns coil of radius 10 cm carries a current 7 ampere. The magnitude of the magnetic field at the centers of the coil is answer is 4.4 mt. Question number 34. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Diamagnetic, 0 is greater than x is greater than or equal to -1. Ferromagnetic, x is greater than 1. Paramagnetic, O is greater than x is greater than 0. Non-magnetic, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 0. Answer is 1. Question number 35. A bob is wild in a horizontal plane by means of a strong string with an initial speed of rpm. The tension in the string is capital T. If speed becomes omega while keeping the same radius, the tension in the string becomes. Answer is 2, 4T. Section B, question number 36. A parallel plate a capacitor is charged by connecting it to a battery through a resistor. If L is I is the current of the circuit, and then in the gap between the plates, answer is 2. Displacement current of magnitude equal to I flows from the same direction as I. Question number 37. 10 mu of capacitor is connected to a 210 volt 50 hertz source as shown in figure. The peak current in the circuits nearly pi 3 is equal to 3.14. Answer is 2, 0.93 ampere. Question number 39. If the mass of the bob in a simple pendulum is increased to thrice its original mass and its length is made half its original length, then the new time period of oscillation is x by 2 times its original time period. Then the value of x is, answer is 2, under root 2. Question number 39. The following graph represents TV curves of an ideal gas where T is temperature and V is volume at three pressures P1, P2 and P3 compared with those of Charles' law represents as dotted lines. Answer is 4. P1 is greater than P2 is greater than P3. Question number 40. The minimum energy required to launch a satellite of mass small m from the surface of Earth of mass capital M and radius capital R in a circular orbit at an altitude of 2r from the surface of the Earth is, answer is 1, 5 gmm upon 6r. Question number 41. The property which is not of an electromagnetic wave traveling in free space is that, answer is 4. They originate from charges moving with uniform speed. Question number 42. Choose the correct circuit which can achieve the bridge balance. Answer is 1. Question number 42. Answer is 1. Question number 43. A force defined by F is equal to alpha I square plus beta I acts on a particle of a given time t, and the factor on which is dimensionless if alpha and beta are constants is, answer is 2, alpha t upon beta. Question number 44. Two heaters A and B have power rating of 1 kilovolt and 2 kilovolt respectively. Those two are first connected in a series and then in parallel to a fixed power source. The ratio of power outputs for these two cases is, answer is 2:9. Question number 55. An iron bar of length L has a magnetic moment M. It is bent at the middle of its length such that the two arms make an angle 60 degrees with each other. The magnetic moment of this new magnet is, answer is 2, capital M by 2. Question number 46. A metallic bar of Young's modulus 0.5 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. The coefficient of linear thermal expansion, the 10 to the power minus 5 degrees Celsius per inverse. The length 1 meter. The area of the cross section 10 to the power minus 5 meter square is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius without expansion or bending. The comprehensive force developed in it is answer is 2. 50 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Question number 49. 47. The velocity v time t plot of the motion of the body is shown below. The acceleration time t graph but that best suits this motion is answer is 3. Question number 48. If the plates of a parallel plate, a capacitor connected to a battery are moved close to each other, then choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. ACE only. The charge stored in it increases. The capacitance increases. The product of charge and voltage increases. Answer is 2. ACE only. Question number 49. A small telescope has an objective of focal length 140 cm and an eyepiece of focal length 5 cm. The magnifying power of telescope for viewing a distant object is answer is 228. Question number 50. A sheet is placed on a horizontal surface in front of the strong magnetic pole. A force is needed to choose the correct statements from the options given below. Answer is 2. A and C only. Hold the sheet where there if it is magnetic. Move the sheet away from the pole with uniform velocity if it is conducting. Answer is 2. Question number 50. Answer is 2. तर इथे आपलं संपत फिजिक्सचा 2023 आणि 2024चा क्वेश्चन पेपर. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन्स आणि त्याचे सोल्युशन पाहिलेलं आहे. कोणते क्वेश्चनचं कोणता आन्सर आहे हे आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. चला तर मग ह्याच्यानंतरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहूया केमिस्ट्रीचा 2023 आणि 2024चा क्वेश्चन पेपर. आता आपण पहिला फिजिक्सचा क्वेश्चन पेपर, त्यानंतर आपण पाहणार आहोत केमिस्ट्रीचा क्वेश्चन पेपर. चला तर मग गुड बाय. थँक्यू सो मच. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. Please like, share and subscribe.